What if I told you the independent doctor reviewing your injury claim is anything but independent, or that the full coverage insurance policy you thought protected you doesn't even exist? Insurance companies don't want you to know this, but I do. I'm Ed Rosenthal, a personal injury lawyer here in Connecticut. For 30 years, I've been helping people just like you fight back against insurance company tricks. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on what insurance companies won't tell you, and how having the right lawyer will make all the difference in protecting your claim. If you've been injured in an accident and are worried about dealing with insurance, stay tuned. If you find this helpful, please subscribe or follow us so you don't miss future videos. Let's start with one of their favorite tactics, the so-called independent medical exam, also known as the IME. Sounds fair, right? Unfortunately, it's anything but fair. Here's how it works. The insurance company hires its doctor to review your medical records, or they might even send you to be examined by this doctor. But let's be clear, this doctor is not there to treat you or help you. They're there to prepare a report for the insurance company. If they don't write reports that downplay your injuries, they don't get hired again. The truth is, the IME doctor is a hired gun. Without someone pushing back on that narrative, juries often don't see the bias. Here's another thing most people don't realize. There's no such thing as full coverage. I can't tell you how many times a client has told me that they thought they had it, only to find out too late that they weren't really protected. You can't change your coverage after you're in an accident. In Connecticut, there are only two types of auto coverage that are mandatory. First, there's liability coverage, which pays out if you cause an accident and injure someone else. The minimum the law requires you to have is $25,000. Second, uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage, also known as UM or UIM coverage. That's what pays you if the other driver doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough. Again, the minimum is just $25,000. Now consider this. If you spend a few months consulting specialists for an orthopedic injury, $25,000 doesn't go very far. That's why it's so important to look beyond the minimums. You don't necessarily need $1 million policy, but having $100,000 or $250,000 in coverage can make a world of difference if the worst happens. This is where having an experienced personal injury lawyer comes in. Insurance companies have entire teams whose job it is to pay you as little as possible. But when you've got someone on your side who knows their tricks, who can challenge biased medical reports, explain coverage options, and fight for the treatment and compensation you deserve, you level the playing field. The truth is, you don't have to go through this process alone. So if you've been in Connecticut and the insurance company is already calling you, remember this: they are not on your side. Talk to a lawyer who is on your side. I'm Ed Rosenthal, and I'd be glad to answer your questions and help you understand your options. Give my office a call or visit my website to set up a consultation. And don't forget, follow or subscribe for more videos where I discuss legal issues that affect you every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.